Hi, today I'm going to be showing you some Pictory AI coupon code. Now, the first thing you can do is click or type in the link I'm showing on the screen right now to get some benefits on your new account. Once you type in that link or if you click that link, you'll be landed into a page similar like this. Now, once on a similar page like this, you can just click on Get Started for free. You can see we can have a free trial right here. Now, let's just sign in real quick. Now, once here, you can see there is a prompt up here that says 6 days left. We can upgrade if you'd like, but you can see right now we already have a free trial available. Now, you can see if you want to upgrade, just click on upgrade here. And on upgrade, it'll show us a couple of plans here. Hold on while it's loading in. Now, you can see, yeah, there is a couple of plans we can choose here, like starter, professional, teams, or enterprise. Now, for example, here, if I want to buy starter, right? Let me just type in buy now. Now, on coupon code, you want to type in this coupon 20. Now just click on apply here to apply your coupon code. Now you can see coupon has been applied and we get a pretty nifty discount. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.